Alright guys, so the first stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, you guys. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in and a bunch of other good stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive in. So we are nearly down 2% for the morning. You can see that we just have bounced off our major support line down here. This is a heavily tested area as well, you guys, and I'm going to go into that really quick right now. So you can see that this is the lowest level that's been tested, so that we can consider this our support. And you can see that two candlesticks where we bounced from right here, initially starting this upward trend. We have this candlestick wick that pulled all the way down into this lower level as well, and then currently where we're at, you guys, after this initial downward trend that we had, you can see that right at the 21 cents, which I predicted 2 weeks prior, stating that if we do pull back, it would probably be around the 21 or 22 cent area, and if we held support there, we would probably reverse from there. People thought I was crazy. Well, there you go. So you can see that we bounced from this level as well, and so this level has been tested 3 times, you guys. And this top line is our highest level of resistance tested as well. So you can see that we got rejected over here, and over here, and over here. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. You have to respect these lines. So now let's get into where we're at currently, okay? So you can see that we did bounce off this support line right here, you guys. We came all the way up, created this higher low, and I'm sorry, this is the higher low, but we created this higher move, and then pulled back about a 50% retracement, which is beautiful, you guys. We never want to see a full 100% retracement. So basically what that means, you don't want to see this come all the way up here, break a new high, and then pull all the way back down to our support level again, because that shows relative weakness. So we only pulled about 50% and now are starting to create this higher lows again. And so you can see on the trend line that we are below it as of right now. That's not really a good sign, but as of right now, you guys, it's pretty early in the morning still, so I'm pretty sure that it'll correct and then we'll move above this trend line. But if we do start getting rejected and we start pulling back down, even again, the 21 cent area could still be a great buying opportunity if we do end up pulling back down in that area. And if we do get pulled back down to that area and you guys get in at the 21 cent area, have a mental stop loss at probably I would keep it around the 19 or 20 cent area, because if we do break back below that level, that could be a danger zone. You want to be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. So I'm really hoping that we don't pull back down to that area. But if we do continue to create these higher lows that we have in this upward trend that we have, then the first thing that we want to do is at least wait until we can get up to the 29 cent area, you guys, because this is so close, you guys. We're right here and our resistance is right here. So we want to see is this to come up and test the 29 cent area, and then if we can then wait for a breakout at that point. So once we have that area being tested, then what we want to see is this to break past the 29 cent area, come up and come back down and retest this as a support level. And then from there, that could be the most safest and best entry that you could have, you guys, because you're going to create this higher low as well, pulling back down to a new level of support. And that's the only 2 options that I can see as of right now for Dogecoin, you guys. And then obviously if we do break back above the 29 cent and you guys get in, your first target is obviously going to be back at the 41 cent area, okay? But other than that, you guys, I like to make these videos really short and sweet, and if this was efficient for you guys or helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.